Hello everyone, welcome to Build with AI Pwani 2025. My name is Florence Wakio. I'll be your host for today. We'll be focusing on Google tracks such as mobile, cloud, web, AI, ML, and leveraging on AI tools like GenKit, Firebase Studio, ADK, and Gemma. We have a lineup of expert speakers taking attendees through code lab sessions using these AI tools.
As a community, we're still growing. Right now, we're about over 1,600 community members, and we are providing that platform where all of us as a community are able to learn through hands-on activities, which is what we're going to be doing today, network with each and every one of us, and also getting access to opportunities shared to us by partnering communities and institutions. What's your understanding of building with AI or build with AI?
My understanding of build with AI is just using AI tools and agents to help you when coding, when you're writing scripts, things like that.
Using ChatGPT or Gemini to ask things,
All the answers are correct actually. It's all about productivity, it's all about development, it's all about solving bugs and all that. So think of AI as your helper.
Hello, my name is Jemima Kavi, a GDG Pwani organizer and Women Tech Makers ambassador. Today I gave my first ever technical talk. I guided the attendees through building a personalized language adventure using Firebase Studio, and we were able to cover best practices in prompting in Firebase Studio, iterating on the app to add functionality and fix bugs, also publish an app to Firebase app hosting, and also be able to share it with others, and lastly track key metrics through the app hosting app overview panel.
My name is Victor Shea. Today I led a session on clinical reasoning with Gemma, where it will just delve into how you can use these generative AI tools to learn about medicine, reasoning, diagnosis, and help you improve your overall healthcare. The experience was pretty much fun because there was everyone there. There's end users and the developers, and everyone is just curious about AI in healthcare, so he just presented a platform on how open discussion how just to improve healthcare with AI possible. I really had fun, and the questions also provided more feedback that I needed, relevant on how to move forward and how to better the presentation for next time.
Hi, my name is Maina Wikri. I'm a Google developer expert for Angular. My session to do was how to build your first AI flow with GenKit. I had a very interactive sessions with attendees. I was able to guide them through the session, and I enjoyed it, and I look forward to future sessions.
Hi, I'm Sandra. I led a session called Building Smarter Apps with AI in Firebase. I'm glad the attendees learned something new. Most of them were beginners in Android and Firebase, but we had an amazing workshop where they learned how to integrate Firebase AI logic into the Android devices. Thank you, GDG Pwani, for this amazing event.
Great, my name is James Moy. I conducted a session on AI agents. Basically, the session was about introducing the attendees to how an agent works, how to develop an agent, how to have multiple agents working together, how to feed data to an agent, how to give tools like search tools to an agent. Then we went through agent development kit, how to install it and how to use it to write agents. And the attendees were very attentive. They were very eager to know how an agent works. They were very eager to follow through the code samples that we had and follow through the demos. So we had a very good experience.
Hi everyone, I'm Brian Kaimanyumba. Today has been a fun experience for me, and today I also had a chance to deliver a technical collab which was around building AI agents with agent development kit and deploying them on Google Cloud. I go to talk about the agentic stack for Google. That's like starting from agent development kit, which is an open source platform to help you, a unified open source platform to help you build agents, and then all the way to AI agent engine, Vertex AI agent engine, and then now talking about the model context protocol and the agent-to-agent protocol. So all these are things that I cover in my session, and they were like interesting things for the attendees. And one of the things that give me joy and success, joy and like a feeling of I was able to make impact today, is all of the attendees in my room were able to follow along my session and build an agent using Google Agent Development Kit, which is an interesting thing for me. Like apart from just seeing the growth of the Google Developer Pwani group, I've also been able to do a session, and then all of the attendees were able to follow along the session, build upon that. And even after the session, I've been able to get like people coming to ask me questions like, hey, you know, I wanted to do XYZ, I've been doing this, and I feel like, would you share some guidance on this? And this is what I feel like I lacked when I was starting out, and I feel so much joy and success that I'm able now to give back to the community by sharing these sessions and answering the questions and doing all that, which has been an interesting experience for me. I'm so excited about the coastal community, and I really can't wait to be at DevFest Pwani this year. It's definitely going to be an amazing event, and I'm looking forward to attending, maybe even speaking at DevFest Pwani. So yes.
For a first-time speaker, this was really a great experience, and also an even greater experience to be able to do it here in my community, GDG Pwani. And I'm looking forward, to interacting more with people on Firebase Studio, and even give more talks on Firebase Studio in the future. Thank you.
I think one of the greatest highlights for this event was the fact that our community members or the participants were able to build stuff, things to do with building the ADKs, even creating Android applications, making them AI powered, of course, through the power of Firebase, and also at the same time looking at how can you deploy even your ADKs on Google Cloud. And from us as organizers, it's always been kind of like a daunting task to how can we have our community members get hands-on with some of these tools. And we were really excited about Build with AI because it's an opportunity for them to not only learn about what is new in terms of the AI tools, but also at the same time, like how can they actually build them for good. The greatest satisfaction as organizers is always hearing that kind of feedback, because it means that we've definitely nailed what exactly we want to nail in terms of our objectives. And at the same time, it gives an opportunity also to share with the world what exactly they've been building. So we're definitely looking forward to even more, and you should definitely check out for more of these, especially when it comes to DevFest Pwani 2025.
What made me excited to come here, because I've learned a lot. I've enjoyed this afternoon session because it was very interactive, and at least I've gotten to build something. Yes, and I will continue coming for more events.
Build with AI Pwani 2025!